Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Unnati Barolia, a student of English department from Maharaja Krishna Kumar CG, Bhavnagar University. This video is a part of a virtual Teachers Day celebration. So let's begin.
Okay, so the topic which I am dealing with is a poem by Robert Frost, that is Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening. Yes, let's take a quick overview about the Robert Frost, who was born on March 26th, 1874, San Francisco, California, US, and died in January 29, 1963. And he was an American poet and was admired for his writing, like his realistic verse and his portraying of an ordinary people and the situations as well. So when we look at his poetic forms, we can get to know that how he was different from the other poets, as he uses various like rhymes, such as most of his works have the rhymings like ABAB and ABCB, and most of his most notable like famous works are written in blank verse, including Mending Wall 1914, Out Out, the another poem which was in 1916, and the Birachis in 1916. The Stopping by Woods. Let's take a quick overview about the poem. Like it was written in 1922 and published in 1923, and the poem is told from a perspective of a traveler who stops to watch the snowfall on the forest in the forest, and is doing so reflects and both nature and society. And though this is likely doubtful that like it's doubtful when we come to know about the fact that this poem is written in a one go, like in a single sitting by a poet. And yes, so let's move further. When we talk about the setting and imagery of the poem, this poem is set in a dark and mysterious tone. Like when we look at the images, we can get to know and also get a hint that it has a sense of loneliness and isolation as well. Uh, Moving further to the central theme, that is the nature's pull and push, like how the fact that seemingly attracts the speaker and lingers the dark and cold, that suggests the nature is both a tempting and a threatening force as well. Like and another one is duty versus desire, that how the speaker is torn between the duty of those disagreeable promises to keep, and the speaker wishes to stay in the dark and lovely woods. The poem is about the conflict between the borders of the social obligations and the individual choice. Like yes, the another theme is also we have of a choice, that how the throughout the poem the speaker seems to be stuck in the space in between society's obligations and nature's offer of solitude and reflection. Like he is like in fact the speaker's literal and figurative placement seems to suggest that choice itself might not even be possible, because societal rules and expectations restrict the speaker's free will. Okay, so another one is about the symbolism of the poem. There are four symbolisms. The first one is the woods, like how it contrasts with the ties of obligations of the societies and the promises that he made, that like we can say makes him apart from his individual freedom. Another one is the wood, sorry, the snow, that is the snow powerfully symbolizes the peace and restfulness for which the speaker longs. And the another one is the horse who nudges the passengers who stopped and reflect. Representative of societal pressure, like the horse is a reminder of the promises people make in the societal contract within their communities that requires everyone to contribute in order to survive. And the another one is the last one is the darkness, that how the poem symbolizes unknown and potentially dangerous aspects of life. It contrasts with the peace, the snow woods, and enhancing the poem's reflective mood. Yes. Moving further, we have the significance of the title. The word stopping suggests that a deliberate pause or a break from a journey. Like the wood over here is a place of retreat and the natural sanctuary away from the demands of the society and the yes, the societal obligations and the struggle to find the balance between the two is a bit complicated over here for the speaker. And yes, it invites the readers to contemplate the significance of pause and the reflections in life. Yes, finally, am concluding my part. So, that is the wood, that is the poem, is known and is explored by the themes of obligations versus man's desire for peace of mind. Yes, while the narrator in the story wants to stop and admire the world around him, but as we discussed earlier, the society's obligations and everything just is trying to stop him, but later he has to move on, everybody. Yes, so yes, thank you, this is from my side. I hope this would be helpful. And as I already mentioned in the beginning of the video, that this is a part of our virtual Teachers' Day celebration. So I'll be mentioning in the below description about the link of the quiz, and when you'll appear in that, you'll also get a certificate from that. And also mention the link of my TED.ed video, where you'll find an activity to do, like think and discuss. So I hope you guys will appear in that as well. Thank you.